So when we were working on this roof, when I pulled the eaves trough down, it tapped that light and broke it. Everything's fine. We'll take a close look at it. But I don't feel like going out and buying a brand new one. And I'll show you what broke. So here's what I got. The only idea I've come up with that seems viable is some aluminum, some screws, electrical tape, and I'm going to put some braces on it. So here's what I'm thinking. So here's where it broke. You can see it's all it is a little connector here, and of course it's plastic, and it just, you know, when it tapped it, it just broke right off. So I'm thinking I can put a strap around here on both of them, and then bring some aluminum around here down and connect it, and put some tape around this, or maybe I only do some caulking. Maybe I caulk it. We'll see. That might look better. The tape's not going to hold forever either. The caulking could hold longer. Okay, so let's make some straps and see if we can make this look decent and fixed. And if the bulb needs changing, no problem. But when it came off, I think it was still working. So let's get this fixed. It's time overdue.